In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add brightness on your videos on InShot. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. My name is Isaac and let's get into it. So if you want your video to be more appealing, you can go ahead and add on some brightness and contrast on your videos. So to make your video look sharper, just go ahead and add brightness, and to do so it is quite simple. Just go ahead and tap on your video in the timeline here. As you can see, I've tapped on mine, and then go ahead and choose this option called effects. Once you have chosen this, look for this option called adjust, and now here we have two options, filter and adjust. So go ahead and tap on adjust, and from here you can adjust your brightness by lowering it if you move backward, or you can increase the brightness on your video when you move it forward like this. So adjust it to a level that you're comfortable, and once you're done, go ahead and tap on OK to apply the changes, and here we go, it is done. So that's how you add brightness on your videos on InShot. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.